Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility so we don't waste time. Tap Screen Readers or Installed Services and find Talkback. This is the service that provides spoken feedback. Once located, flip the Talkback toggle to On and accept any permission prompts. This allows the system to speak and intercept gestures. Make sure to read the brief permission summary so you know why it needs mic or notification access. Then proceed to the next configuration step. Once Talkback is enabled, open its settings to tailor how you interact with the device. Practice the built-in gesture tutorial so you learn the two-finger scroll, single-tap selection, and double-tap activation. You should also set speech rate and verbosity to match your listening preference and set volume independent if supported. Make sure to enable hardware keyboard or braille display support if you use those devices, because that integration changes navigation and input behavior for efficiency. You finish by testing core flows. Navigate home, open apps, read notifications, and perform selections using the gestures you practiced so you confirm everything works. If you need quick access, enable the volume key shortcut to toggle Talkback without diving into settings. If Talkback becomes unresponsive or behaves oddly, reboot the device first. If that fails, reset Talkback settings and re-grant permissions. This often restores correct gesture mapping and speech output, because configuration or cached state can cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.